Hi Christina, I just spoke to Naomi and she said you might be interested in this video. My name is Scott Walker and I am trying to help auto glass companies steal leads from Safelite. And this video kind of shows you what I've done for other auto glass companies to help them generate more business and revenue using their website, Google Business Profile, and also Google Ads. So I hope this is beneficial for you and I look forward to talking to you soon. So I'll usually start out with your website. For starters, one thing I really would recommend for you is to add more content to your homepage. Google loves to see content. They want to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, and throughout that content you want to be found for buyer intent keywords, such as windshield replacement, Commerce City, auto glass replacement, Commerce City, or any local surrounding areas. The other thing you could do is if you save your image correctly, instead of it saying banner, this, that, and the other, that could be saying windshield replacement Commerce City as well, because it's embedded behind the photo for you. So I do use a tool called Ahrefs to kind of show me your analytics and where you're setting. The DR and UR is the strength and trust that Google has for your website. These are on a scale of 100 and you want those continuously moving up while also balanced. You're currently at 1 and 8 due to your referring pages and domains, which are backlinks. And what a backlink is when one website links to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so you do want to stay relevant to your industry and also location whenever possible. It looks like you're being indexed for 71 keywords and you're getting about 50 to your website each month. Auto Glass Co., that looks like a brand. Auto Glass Express, looks like a brand. So Auto Glass Colorado, you are the #1 position for that. That's awesome, but there's only 20 searches for it. So those are the type, there's different types of buyer intent keywords that I consider with a location and a service, like Auto Glass Denver. That one at least has, the location near it. But those are the types of buyer intent keywords that I like to go after, because those are actual people who could turn into new customers for you. And then I did go through, I just did a quick search for windshield replacement Commerce City. And it looks like, this says Denver, which I'm sure, Denver, it's part of the area, so that would work. But pretty much the best way to get high click-through rates here is to group your ads thematically, so like windshield replacement, windshield repair would be separate, and even windshield replacement and auto glass replacement would be separate ad groups. And so by doing that and then putting as much as this keyword into the ad as possible, like windshield replacement, but they don't say location. Down here is windshield replacement Denver, up to 60% discount. This one would be a better one because it has a promotion, it has a location, and it has the windshield replacement, but it doesn't say, it just says Denver, so maybe you don't know. But once you have a good click-through rate, then you want to have a good conversion rate. So on your landing page, you want to have a click-to-call, form submit, what you do, where you do it, any promotions that you run right here, and then any relevant imagery behind. So like if it's for windshield replacement, a car windshield being replaced. If you guys do anything like with RV windshield repair, you would want an RV picture in the background type of thing. And then just to kind of give you an idea, I just looked up, I just did both Colorado and Denver. And for these searches, there's 3,000 searches for windshield replacement each month. Auto glass repair, another 1,300. Now, I don't know how far away you go in the Denver region, but we can talk about where you go. But getting in front of 3,000 people each month, for your services, that's a lot of people you could be getting in front of for Google Ads. And then we move down into the Google Business Profile. Looks like you guys are doing quite well. Way to keep this up, pretty much what I always recommend is more reviews, making sure your name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet. But other than that, you guys are looking really good. So the only thing you could kind of do is kind of break into other locations is kind of where you want to go from there. And then it looks like Glass Doctor is one of your top competitors for this keyword. And this is, I know this is a franchise, so they only have this as a back page. But they do have more content, and I already saw a couple of better buyer intent keywords. Maybe right here, where was it? Maybe I didn't. Oh, chip repair in Commerce City. But yeah, so just to give you an example, that's kind of the type of sort of buyer intent keywords that I'm talking about. And this is strictly, here, let me add Denver real quick. So with Denver, there's 900 searches for windshield replacement with the location attached. But like I said, there's 3,000 otherwise. These all have, Denver or Commerce City attached to here as well. So when you start to outrank your competitors for your website, a percentage of these total volumes will start going to your website instead of your competitors. And then a percentage of the people going to your website will give you a call, and depending on your closing rate, will turn into a customer for you. So, Christine, I hope that this was beneficial for you. If it is something that you would like to further discuss, let's set up a discovery call, and if not, no harm, no foul, and have a great day.